Hey everybody, welcome to another EdTech Tool of the Week. This week, have you ever wanted to use an article that you found online, maybe a current event, for discussion in the classroom? But when you go to print it out, there's all these unwanted ads and photos and things that you do not need on there. Have you ever wanted to clean that up? I know there's times that I have. This tool that I'm about ready to share will do that in a couple easy clicks, and then you'll be able to share or print out whatever you need to get your class moving. Check it out. This week's EdTech Tool of the Week is a Google Chrome extension called Print Friendly PDF. This Chrome extension can be downloaded in the Chrome store, and I'll make sure to put a link in the description below. Print Friendly PDF allows you to turn any online web page or article into a cleaner version of itself. You save paper and ink when you print, and it allows you to remove ads and navigational junk before you print. So instead of having our students worrying about blocking out all the distractions on the page, they can now just focus on the content that you want them to learn. Let's take a look at an example. Alright, let's take a look at an article from CBS News. This is on Johnson & Johnson's single-dose vaccine. So there's a lot of good stuff within this article, a lot of factual information, but as you can see, there's a lot of clutter all over the place, including a video that we would need if we're doing some type of a printout. So what we're going to do is go up to our Chrome extensions bar. We're going to click Print Friendly PDF. It's going to do some cleaning up itself. But it's going to leave you with some options to do some further cleaning up. So we want the article, we want that title and the picture, but maybe we don't want this stuff up here. So we're going to go ahead and hover over each one of these things, and we are going to delete them. So our students do not need to see them in the article. Alright, so I deleted all the pictures and everything. There are a couple more options that I want to go over real quick. You could increase or decrease the text size. Alright, so the text you can increase and you can decrease. You could also do that with the pictures. So if we want to make the picture smaller, we can do that as well. Maybe we want this whole thing to fit on one page, so that's why we would need to shrink down the picture. From there, you can email this, you could print it out, or you can convert it into a PDF, download it, and throw it out to your LMS system. Alright, so that brings us to the end of this video. Hopefully you got some value out of this. Make sure that you're following our YouTube channel as we keep producing some content for teachers. Until next time, go out and try Print Friendly PDF Chrome extension found in the Google Chrome store. See you next time.